Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play Roblox on your computer. First, you'll need to download the free Roblox player application. This is the essential software that allows you to access and play all the games. Once installed, you'll create a free account, which is your unique identity within the Roblox universe. After these initial steps, you'll be ready to dive into the incredibly vast library of user-created games, offering countless hours of entertainment and exploration right from your desktop. To begin, open your web browser and navigate to the official Roblox website. When you find a game that sparks your interest, simply click on it. This action will typically prompt you to download the Roblox player. Follow the straightforward on-screen instructions to complete the installation. The process is usually quick, taking only a few minutes. Once the download is finished, the Roblox player will automatically install itself, preparing your computer for an immersive gaming experience. With the Roblox player installed, your next step is to create a free account. Choose a unique username and a strong password to secure your profile. After signing up, you can browse through an enormous selection of games, categorized by genre, popularity, and recommendations. When you've picked a game, just click the play button. The game will launch, and you can begin familiarizing yourself with the in-game controls, which are often intuitive and easy to learn. Roblox offers millions of unique games, all crafted by its vibrant community. You can spend hours exploring different worlds, from adventure and role-playing to simulations and obstacle courses. Don't forget to customize your avatar. There are countless outfits, accessories, and animations to personalize your look. You can also interact with other players, making new friends in a safe online environment. For an enhanced experience, consider Roblox Premium, which offers exclusive items and a monthly Robux allowance.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.